again, it's Miss Bella here. Remember that in our past lessons we've been learning about our sounds, and in today's lesson we are still learning about more sounds. But before we go on, let's review the sounds we've learned so far. I'm sure by now you already know what the sounds say. So once you see the picture on the screen, make sure you say the sounds with me. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. S. Ah. T. P. I. Mm. D. G. A. K. K. Well done, everybody. Also remember that in our last lesson, we were able to differentiate between the curly K and the kicking K. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to see one sound that has both the curly K and the kicking K. And guess what? They are called the kicking brothers. Can you say that with me? Kicking brothers. And guess what again? They say the same thing as both the curly K and the kicking K. So, the kicking brothers say K. Can you say that with me? K. Well done. Now let's look at the remaining sounds. Eh. Eh. Oh. Oh. Well done. Now let's go over them one more time. Remember that the kicking brothers have two letters that say one sound. K. K. Eh. Eh. Oh. Oh. Well done. Now the kicking brothers are really special because you don't find them at the beginning of a word. You will find them at the middle of a word or at the end of a word. Unlike other sounds, they don't come at the beginning of the word. So let's look at some examples of words that have the sounds that we've practiced today. Starting with the kicking brothers. Duck. Duck. Well done. Eh, as in egg. Good job. Oh, as in umbrella. Well done. As in rat. Very good. Now remember to practice all your sounds before the next lesson. I'll see you then. Bye.